Hey, this your boy B Still coming at you again with another exercise live. Today we're going to hit another combo movement. It's going to be the step back lunge and curl combo. Alright, let's check it out. I'm going to get some nice size weights to work with. We're going to go back in our step back lunge. I'm going to curl up. Alternate legs and curl up. Give you 4 more. Last one. Alright, now it's a step back lunge and curl combo. This is B Still, and I'll see you next time.